Hey guys, today I'll show you how to connect Monday.com to Zapier. First, go to Zapier and open the app connections page. Click plus add connection and search for Monday.com. Then select it. When prompted, input your Monday.com API token. You can get this from Monday.com under your profile, developers, then API token. Copy the token and paste it on Zapier's authentication box. Then click on Yes to proceed. Once connected, you can start building a Zap. To see if the connection is working, let's create and test the Zap. Choose a trigger from Monday.com. For this, let's choose when a specific column value is changed in board. On the editor panel, configure the trigger. Then pick an action. For this, we'll move the target item to the completed group, which can also be configured on the editor panel. After setup, Zapier and Monday.com work together. Whenever the trigger happens, the action runs automatically, giving you seamless automation across tools. If the automation works, then that means Zapier is connected. And that's how you connect Monday.com to Zapier. Thanks for watching.